To make your mouse cursor bigger on a Mac, you can follow these simple steps. First, click on the Apple menu located in the top left corner of your screen and select System Preferences. This will open a new window with various options to customize your Mac. Next, click on Accessibility, which is usually located at the bottom of the list in the Accessibility window. Select Display from the menu on the left side. This section allows you to customize the display settings to improve visibility. In the Display section, you will see an option to adjust the cursor size. Click and drag the slider to the right to increase the size of your cursor. You can adjust the size to your preference, and you will see the changes in real time. Alternatively, you can also use the keyboard shortcut to quickly increase or decrease the cursor size. To do this, press Command and plus sign to increase the size, or press Command and minus sign to decrease the size. It is also worth noting that you can also adjust the cursor color and contrast to make it more visible. To do this, go back to the Accessibility window and select Display. Click on the checkbox next to Invert Colors to change the cursor color, or adjust the contrast by clicking and dragging the slider. By following these steps, you can easily make your mouse cursor bigger on a Mac and improve your overall computing experience. Remember to experiment with different cursor sizes and colors to find the combination that works best for you.